What's going on, guys? Welcome to Shooting a Shave. It's good to be back here doing another shave video. Today I'm going to be using my Parker 63C. It is a 3-piece open comb razor. Brush today is going to be my Yaqi barber pole brush here. This is a massive synthetic brush with a 30mm tuxedo knot. And the soap today is going to be Caties Bubbles La Terre Verte. And the scent notes on this are oak moss, sandalwood, and patchouli. So I've already got some pre-shave on. I'm just going to go ahead and start loading the brush up here. Oh, got a little too much water in this brush, so I'll do it upside down like that. Alright, let's talk about the scent strength. On the 1 to 10 scale, I'd say it's a 5.5. And what do I smell most in it? I smell definitely the oak moss and the patchouli, and I'm not really picking up much of the sandalwood at all. I think I might have had a little too much water in that brush, so it might take me a second here. I think that's good. I'm locked and loaded. I'm going to get the excess cream. And there's tons of it. Really nice scent. This is only the second time I've used this soap. I bought it 2 or 3 months ago at a place local by me. It's called Perfumology. They carry perfumes, and they also carry shave soaps. They carry Taconic Shaving, Chiseled Face. Now they carry Holy Cow. They also carry Parker razors, Razor Rock razors. They don't carry any straight razors though. Oh, no, they do. They have Martinez razors, but they're way too out of my price range. They're like $550 razors. And that is straight razors. Alright, I'm going to go right into a face lather here. So how are you all doing? I hope you are all doing well, having wonderful shaves, and just having a wonderful weekend. I don't know if I mentioned it, but it is Saturday here, Saturday evening. And it's been a crazy weekend for me. I'm going to put a little water into this brush here. Tomorrow, I have popcorn sales with my son. He's a Cub Scout, and they do popcorn sales for their fundraisers. So we're going to do a 2-hour shift tomorrow, and then we're taking the kids and meeting the grandparents at a pumpkin patch to pick out a pumpkin that we're going to carve for Halloween. A little more water in there, and then I think I'm good. And then yesterday, after work, I came home and we took the kids over to a fall festival at my son's elementary school. It was a real nice time. A little chilly, but a nice time. They had some food trucks. They had a dunking tank there. Some of the teachers got in the dunking tank, and my son, threw a ball, dunked a couple of his teachers. It was a science teacher, I believe. It was pretty cool. I think it was crazy though, because it was like 32 degrees here. How the hell is somebody getting in a dunking tank? I hope the guy's still alive. All right, gonna go first pass. Yeah, it was cold. I don't know how people get in these dunking tanks when it's that cold out. Alright, first pass done. Rub the residual slickness in, or rub the remainder soap in. Good residual slickness is what I meant to say. And I forgot to show you guys earlier, but I'm using, for this week, I'm using Gillette 7 o'clock's sharp edge blades here. And they've been pretty good for this razor. Let me go ahead and lather up for the second pass. Been having really nice shaves with them. That's my, this is my third use on that blade. I'm not sure if I mentioned that earlier. If I did, then sorry. Sometimes it's really hard when you do these videos to talk and do everything at the same time. I have a hard time with it, so if I repeat myself a lot, I'm sorry. A little bit of water. And that's good. Second pass. Alright, second pass done. I'm going to take a feel about here, see how much I need to pick up. Only a little bit. Cheeks feel pretty good. I'm just going to pick up the stuff under my neck here. And my chin. All right, go clean up pass under the chin here. Yeah, lately I've been just doing I've been doing 2 pass shaves because I've been shaving daily. And 2 pass shaves have been really working nice. I kind of got the idea just from reading articles, and I saw that Mike the Razor Rookie has been doing it, and he does 2 pass shaves, so I figured, you know what, I'm going to give that a try. And it's really, done wonders for my skin. I don't get any irritation now. Oh. All right, that's good. I am happy with that. All right, guys, I'm gonna clean the sink, clean my gear. I'll see you for post-shave. So for post-shave tonight, I'm gonna be using Caties Bubbles La Terre Verte, and I'll put a nice healthy dose on my face. And if you have never tried these Caties Bubbles Aftershave tonics, you should. They're excellent. Post-shave balm tonight is just going to be Nivea, the sensitive skin version. And I'm going to put a little bit on my hands. Okay. Whoop! Dropping stuff in here. Alright, let's recap what I used tonight. For pre-shave, I went with Proraso Red here. Brush tonight was the Yaqi Barber pole brush here. Razor tonight was the Parker 63C. And soap tonight was Caties Bubbles La Terre Verte. Blade that I used in my razor was the Gillette 7 o'clock, super sharp, on its third use. For post-shave tonight, as I was cleaning the sink, I used the Thayer's Witch-hazel, let that sit on my face. For aftershave splash, what did I do with it? It's right here. Went with the matching scent. And last but not least, I went with the Nivea Men's Sensitive Skin Post-Shave Balm. That's going to do it tonight, guys. Hope you guys all have a great weekend. Stay healthy, have good shaves, and I'll see you guys again soon for another shave video. Take care.